Now you're not in it. You're so fun. You're like me. I'm always posting pictures. Everybody's like, where are you? I'm like, taking the pictures. I take them. I don't put myself in them.
You can hear the video though.
I know. It's okay.
Job. Such a struggle. Wears me out listening to them.
Those girls are working really hard for those Skittles over there.
What are you doing?
Thanks, you can jump.